Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Maytag dishwasher is probably one of the most essential appliances in any modern kitchen, transforming the tedious chore of handwashing into a seamless, sparkling experience. And today we're diving deep into what makes Maytag stand out in a crowded market, ensuring your dishes come out impeccably clean every single time with minimal effort and maximum efficiency, truly simplifying your daily routine. Number 5. Active Washing Machine and Dishwasher Cleaning Tablets Bundle. Introducing a powerful bundle designed for both your washing machine and dishwasher. This 48-tablet set provides a full year's supply, ensuring both appliances stay fresh and clean with ease. These versatile tablets work with all types of machines, regardless of brand or model. They are compatible with major manufacturers like Bosch, LG, and Samsung, including high-efficiency units. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells and stubborn buildup in your appliances. Their advanced formula effectively combats all sorts of grime, leaving them sparkling clean and odor-free. Experience a deep clean that makes your machines shine like new. They remove hard water, lime, scale, and grease, restoring optimal performance and appearance. Keeping your appliances pristine is now effortless. Simply place one tablet inside an empty machine and run a regular cycle once or twice a month. This easy routine ensures long-lasting cleanliness. For your washing machine, just place one tablet directly in the drum and run a hot water cycle. After it finishes, wipe down the interior and leave the door open to air dry. What we like? This bundle offers a comprehensive solution for both your washing machine and dishwasher. Its deep descaling formula tackles tough buildup, ensuring peak performance for all your appliances. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one cleaning solution to maintain multiple appliances throughout the year, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. EcoClean Washer and Dishwasher Tablets. Is your washing machine or dishwasher struggling to perform its best? Over time, these essential appliances can accumulate grime and residue, affecting their efficiency and cleanliness. Introducing a simple solution to revitalize your home appliances. This 48-pack bundle offers a powerful cleaning action designed to tackle tough buildup. No matter your appliance type, these tablets are designed to work for you. They are compatible with front loader, top loader, any washing machines, as well as all dishwashers. Say goodbye to stubborn lime scales, mineral deposits, and unpleasant residues. These tablets effectively break down and remove the hidden grime that can hinder performance. Not only do they clean thoroughly, but they are also safe for your septic system. Keep your appliances running smoothly and your dishes and clothes sparkling clean with ease. What we like? This 48-pack bundle provides a powerful cleaning action for both your washer and dishwasher. It effectively removes buildup and lime scales, ensuring your machines run efficiently. If you have a septic system and need a versatile, safe cleaner for multiple machine types, this option is perfectly suited for your home. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. Whirlpool Maytag Dishwasher Door Latch Handle W101300695. Is your dishwasher door not latching properly? This replacement handle is designed to bring your appliance back to full functionality. It ensures a secure close every time. This part is compatible with various Maytag and Whirlpool models, including Quiet Series 200 and 300 dishwashers. It's a direct fit for many popular appliances, ensuring broad applicability. It replaces multiple part numbers like W101300695, W101300696, and WPW101300695. You can be confident it's the correct component for your repair. This ensures a hassle-free installation. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, this latch handle is built to last. It has undergone rigorous testing by the manufacturer to ensure reliability and performance. Specifically designed for numerous Maytag dishwasher models such as MDB 9750AWW and MDBF 550AWW. It provides a perfect fit for these appliances. Check your model number for confirmation. Should you have any questions or need assistance, our team is ready to help. We are committed to ensuring your satisfaction. Feel free to reach out to us. What we like? This is a direct replacement part designed for specific Maytag and Whirlpool dishwasher models. It's crafted from durable, high-quality material, ensuring a reliable fix for a common issue. If your dishwasher's door latch handle is broken and you need a precise, long-lasting replacement for compatible models, this part is exactly what you need. What people say. Number 2. Whirlpool W10811169 Touchpad and Control Panel. Introducing the Whirlpool W10811169. This essential component ensures your appliance operates smoothly and efficiently. It serves as the primary interface for your appliance. This panel allows you to easily select settings and monitor its functions. This is a genuine OEM replacement part. It means it's manufactured to the exact specifications of the original. Choosing this part guarantees a perfect fit and reliable performance. It ensures your appliance maintains its original quality. If your current control panel is faulty, replacing it with this genuine part will restore full functionality. It's designed for seamless integration. What we like. This is a genuine OEM replacement part, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance. It replaces the critical touchpad and control panel, restoring full functionality to your appliance. If you're experiencing issues with your dishwasher's controls and prioritize authentic parts for a seamless repair, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Number 1. Renuv Heavy Duty Dishwasher Cleaner and Deodorizer. Is your dishwasher not performing its best? This powerful cleaner provides a thorough, deep clean, reaching every corner of your machine. It ensures your appliance is spotless and ready for its next load. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells lingering in your dishwasher. It naturally removes tough odors and lingering smells, leaving your machine fresh and clean. Enjoy a truly fresh kitchen environment. Hard water can leave unsightly marks and buildup. This product effectively tackles calcium, limescale, and hard water stains, restoring your dishwasher's shine. It helps maintain its efficiency and appearance. Stubborn grease and food residues can accumulate over time. This cleaner effortlessly removes grease, ensuring your dishwasher operates smoothly. It keeps your appliance hygienic and performing optimally. Concerned about your septic system? This formula is completely safe for septic systems, giving you peace of mind. You can clean your dishwasher effectively without any worries. Cleaning your dishwasher has never been simpler. Just drop one of these XL tablets into your machine, and let it do the work. It's a convenient and effective solution for a sparkling clean. What we like. These XL tablets offer heavy-duty cleaning, tackling tough grease and hard water marks in your dishwasher. They also act as a natural odor and smell remover, leaving your machine fresh. If you're dealing with persistent odors or significant buildup in your dishwasher and prefer a powerful, yet septic-safe solution, this cleaner is highly effective. What people say. The provided source JSON for product reviews is empty. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted as requested. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.